In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record on PowerPoint. Have you ever wanted to add a personal touch to your presentations by including a video recording of your screen directly into your PowerPoint slides? Whether it's for a tutorial, a business presentation, or even for an educational lecture, this feature can tremendously elevate the quality and engagement level of your presentation. Luckily, Microsoft PowerPoint offers an integrated option to record your screen with ease, and today I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's open up Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem like a basic step, but ensuring you're working on the latest version of PowerPoint can save you from any hiccups during the recording process. Microsoft continually updates its suite of applications to include new features and improve existing ones, so it's always a good idea to have the most current version. Once PowerPoint is opened, the next step is to locate the presentation file you wish to add your screen recording to. If you're starting from scratch, simply create a new presentation by selecting New and choosing a template that suits your project. For those of you adding to an already existing file, navigate through your folders and open your desired PowerPoint presentation. After you've got your file open and ready, it's time to navigate to the Insert tab located at the top ribbon of PowerPoint. This tab is where the magic happens. It's the gateway to adding all sorts of content into your slides, from images and shapes to videos and, of course, your screen recordings. Within the Insert tab, you'll find the Screen Recording option. Clicking on this will prepare PowerPoint to capture whatever is displayed on your screen. But before you jump into recording, take a moment to clear any sensitive or unnecessary information from your screen. You want your audience to focus on the essentials after all. Now on to the exciting part, pressing the record button. As you click on Screen Recording, a control dock will appear at the top of your screen. Here you'll see the record button, which when clicked begins recording your screen immediately. Before you start, you can also select a specific area of your screen to record by simply clicking and dragging the area you want to capture. This is particularly useful if you only want to focus on a specific application or document and not your entire desktop. Remember, everything you do on your screen is being recorded, so navigate through your demonstration smoothly and clearly for your audience. Speak as if you're explaining the process to someone right beside you. This makes the pacing more natural and easier to follow. When you're finished with your demonstration, ending the recording is just as straightforward as starting it. To stop recording, simply press the Windows logo key plus Shift plus Q simultaneously. This keyboard shortcut is a quick and efficient way to end the session without needing to navigate through any menus. After finishing your recording, PowerPoint automatically inserts the screen capture into the currently selected slide. From here you can resize the video, adjust its placement, or even add video formatting options such as frames or effects to better integrate it with your presentation's aesthetic. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to recording your screen directly within Microsoft PowerPoint. This feature not only enriches your presentation, but also provides a dynamic way to communicate with your audience, making complex instructions or demonstrations much easier to follow. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with recording short segments at first to familiarize yourself with the process before diving into longer recordings. With each try, you'll become more comfortable and efficient, eventually making screen recordings an effortless addition to your PowerPoint toolset. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide empowers you to take your presentations to the next level with the power of screen recording in PowerPoint. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy presenting!